Hello students, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about the important questions that will come in module 1, and the subject is software engineering and project management. The subject code is BCS501. Okay, let's get started. The first question is define software process, explain the generic software process framework. So here what I'm doing is in the left side I'm going to give a formal definition, right side I'm going to give a simplified definition, so that it will be easy for you to remember. And also not only the simple form of the definitions, also I'm giving real-time examples, so that you will not forget the things. Like using that examples you can remember the things. So let's get started. So the software process, a software process is a structured set of activities, actions and tasks required to develop and maintain software. Okay, so let me explain in simple words. Basically software process is just a step-by-step way we build and take care of the software, like a we follow a recipe, right? So like that. For example, think that you are baking a cake. First what you do, you gather all the necessary ingredients, that is requirements. Okay, then what you do, you are going to mix the ingredients, which is a design. You are going to make a design. Then what you do after everything, you are going to bake it, so which is a coding. Then what you do, you are going to taste the cake. So why you are going to taste, like whether the sugar is less or what, or do you need more cream for that, for testing purpose, whether it is good or not. So which is a testing, right? Then what you do, you are going to serve the cake, which is a deployment. That's a process for baking a cake. The same idea applies for the software also. So it's a step-by-step way we build and take care of the software. Okay, so let's go to the next definition, software process framework. So the generic software process framework establishes the foundation for managing any software project through 5 core activities and supporting umbrella activities, right? So let me take in simple words. So basically it is like a basic guidebook that says every software process should follow some 5 steps. Okay, and these 5 steps are communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment, and keep doing some background checks. That background checks will be the umbrella activities. Okay, so let me take an example to make you understand more clear. So imagine that you are organizing a school annual day. What you do first, you go to teacher and you will discuss with the teacher like what they want, right? So which is a communication. You are going to communicate with the teacher or some head, right? So that is a communication. This is the first 5 main activities will be there. No, this is the first thing, that is a communication. Next what you do, you are going to make a schedule and assign a task for the volunteer, right? So which is a planning. You are going to plan what to do, what next. So what are all the functions that we have to do, dance, singing, or like that you're going to plan. So when singing should come, when dance should come, like that. So this is a planning. Or like whom to invite for judge. So all these things, like this is a planning. So then what you do, you design the stage and program flow. Okay, this is a modeling. Then what you do, you practice and prepare costumes, which is a construction. So right, so then what, you run the event and get the feedback, which is a deployment. Like running an event is a deployment. Meanwhile you keep checking the progress, risk and quality, which is a umbrella activities, right? So while doing all these activities, what you do, you keep on checking the progress of the event and risk, that is if something happens, if the power cut happens, what next. So the backup you have to keep. No, you have to keep generator. That risk analysis also you are going to do. And also the quality, whether the program is running well or not, the quality you are going to check. This is what the umbrella activities comes. Okay, so let me take the actual formal definitions for framework activities. That is communication. Communication means collaborate with customers to understand objectives and gather requirements. This is what I said, right? So you have to talk with customers and understand the objectives and gather the requirements, what they need. So coming to planning, create a project plan defining task, schedule, resource and risk. So you are going to plan what client needs. So this is what it is mentioned. Modeling, create analysis and design models to understand the problem and solution. What modeling means, like what you gathered, what you planned, that you are going to make a model or like some design kind of thing for your understanding purpose, so that you are going to understand the problem and you will come with some solutions. So this is what modeling. Construction is code generation and testing to uncover errors. So what construction is, you are you are going to generate the code and you are going to test that to check whether any errors are there or what. So this is what construction. Deployment, deliver the software to the customer for evaluation and feedback. Like finally what you do after developing the software, you are going to give that software to the customer, so that they'll give feedback and they'll evaluate that. So this is what all 5 activities. Coming to umbrella activities, so this has project tracking, risk management, software quality assurance, technical reviews, measurement, software configuration, reusability management. Okay, so in simple words, what is this project tracking means? Checking if the project is on time. So your tracking is like that only, no, you are going to track the flow. So this is what project tracking. So after this, the risk management. Okay, risk management is preparing for problems before they happen. So this is what I told, no. So when you are organizing an annual day, you are going to check the risk management, whether some power cut happens, backup generator should be there, no. So like before something happens, you are going to prepare for the problems before it happens. This is what risk management. Software quality assurance means making sure the software meets the standards. Okay, so you are going to check whether the software is going to meet the standards. Like a chef, or you bake the cake, no, you're going to test, right, whether it is good or what. So you need to add sweet or what. So this is what you are going to do. So that is a assurance that you are going to do. Then comes technical reviews, that is experts checking the design or code for mistakes. So example, senior student reviewing your essay before submissions. Like check your senior. So suppose you prepared some answers, ask your senior whether it is correct or not. Suppose you code something, so ask your senior to check whether it is right or not. This is what the review, that is a technical review. Measurement is collecting data to improve. Example, like counting how many users download the app. Okay, so this is what measurement. Like you're going to collect the data, what's happening, so to improve, like what you can improve. You will get to know, like if you collect more data, so you will get a feedback, right? So this will be like this. If you develop a software, so people will give a feedback. If this looks like that, it will be good. So like that you are going to collect the data to improve that software. Okay, so this is what the thing. So software configuration management, so keeping track of changes in code. So for example, saving different versions of your project report so you don't lose old work. Okay, so what you do, you are going to save some version of project, then you are going to enhance that, or some you do some edits or you improve that project, again you are going to save. So what you do, you will not delete that old project. So you will be keep that track of the code, like changes what you made, so that you can increase whether your graph is increasing or what, right? So coming to reusability management, using old code or components again. For example, like copying a login module from one app to another instead of writing from scratch. Okay, so and also like I can give, you are going to when you are entering your login credentials, Google will ask for save this password, right? So next time when you log in, it will ask, or it will be autofill, right? So no need of writing it from scratch. This is what reusability. You are reusing the old code or components again. So this will save your time, that's why. So hope you understood it easily. So if you feel this video useful, please do like, subscribe and share the videos to your friends, so that they'll also study. And also if you want to get a notes, so I'll be sharing you the notes link. Please comment notes, so I'll be sharing you the link. Thank you so much. Bye bye.